10 games bonke. Ngeke bebuye. Ngeke bebuye. Ngiyakutshela. Ngahamba ngize
Iva umengathi usathi ID. Ngathi isithombe se-ID.
Hayibo eva hlehla eva hlehla. Iya kumrawo. Marawu lo nganawo wena. Iya kumrawu ke hlehla. Ever, please don't show us flat stuff here. The only flat stuff that we see is that fridge. So please behave yourself, you. Get out. Mara Eva, show. Udlula ngisho ifridge. Kanti ungakanani wena?
Jovis. Don't lie.
No, why not give well mara when to keep? Cause nearly 30 seconds.
Thank you so much, and you. Thank you so much, Nobuhle. Thank you so much, family. Me, Kai, take on miracle. Thank you so much.
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Guys, 2 games left.
I appreciate everyone, guys, who are 7 days for me. Those that are mentioned, guys, I appreciate you.
Guys, only 2 games left. Only 2 games left, and then we're done. Only 2 games left, and then we're done, my family. Only 2 games left, and then we're done, guys. As big as the 2 games, after that, we're done to stream for today. Because very, truth be told, guys, they whooping us like crazy. And they very stupid. I swear Matepas guys, they very dumb cop, they very stupid. If Utswala has smoke, I shall. It's game the sugan, set 5th. But if I cannot smoke, they run away. These people of Tswalo, some of them guys, they to be doing some foolish stuff, guys. I swear. You can't, guys.
Yesterday you were whooping me, guys.
Interstellar. Did about 3. Thanks so much, Pooty.
Amo, how are you doing, sir?
Thank you so much, Pooty. Only 1 game left. Hey, move back. Move back.
I am moving back.
Hey, Vaslecha. Skari kwatisa hle. Rikwatile no.
Nara Narukogimo. Guys, a shade push.
Out to his.
Network is ticking.
Thank you so much, guys. Bonga cool. Guys, 2 roses.
Is my network okay? Wait. Okay, the network is back. Let me try to do this real quick. No, my network. I'm trying to fix the network.
It's fixed. Saibon is fixed.
No. It's connecting with the net. No, it connected to the network. The Wi-Fi I next door. So.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and now you put. Guys, I'm trying to connect the whole setup. Because only 1 game left. So yeah, I'm just gonna relax and play some music. I'm trying to connect Zonke. So other people can't do nothing, guys. They're on 6, they're on 24. And to think of the fact that this one is still going to play with Pam. Pamela will whoop you 10 games because hey, shame. You're on 24, you want to go and play with Pam. You are taking chances, my sister. It's like standing on freeway while there's a Range Rover that is coming across and hoping that it will not hit you. Pamela will beat you like crazy. I swear to God, she has smoked for days. Yuri, Pamela Mabana,
she knows very well.
Shame. I feel sorry for you. Matter of fact, I'm even thinking of ending my life and go watch your games. Once I see that you have smoke, I'm gonna be a stupid recycler. I will whoop you. I just want you to see Safa. Imagine being moved 20 games. Twelo, you're so strong, Shame.
I'm gonna 25 games.
I can't win. Oh, this one, bazomshy. Cabanga uqeda kuthola 10. Then you go in to Pamela, to another Zulu, to whoop you 10. Swallow? Oh, shame, I'd rather be Eva, me shame. That knows my limits. I don't go around and play someone here. I'm gonna stand there like an idiot. Allow people to whoop me like crazy. Eva, you're not gonna be smokeless. Just stand there, show us your stomach. You're gonna have smoke. Because that's the thing that you've centered your content around, right? We are streaming here.
Who run the world? Girls. Haida.
Ngeke futhi bewurana ucabanga bezorana urana umuntu ongahle. You want food, you're gonna give me food.
In the fish. In the fish.
Kamo go swanetse gore mo fe dijo o aje. O tlhogala dijo. One game, guys. I swear, guys, my Tswanas are finished. Whole hour, you guys are just smokeless. Whole hour. Since 9:30. A whole hour, you guys are smokeless. Yeah, hope you mahle.